Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subby, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated. Alright, stay tuned. Watch me decorate. This is from Home Goods. Okay guys, stay tuned for the reveal. Okay, I'll be right back. Guys, this is the reveal. Just a little quick silver, white, and burnt orange fall tablescape. Nothing big, just a little quick one for the camera. The pumpkins are from the gallery. I had these a couple of years ago. And the plates are from Home Goods. The charger, that's also from Home Goods. And the placemat from Bloomingdale's. The glass, I think it was the gallery. If not the gallery, Home Goods. And the flowers are from Home Sense. The vase, Home Goods. And these are pillow covers from Amazon. Okay, this is the reveal. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is it. I hope you like it. I might be doing another fall. I'm not sure, hopefully. Alright. This is it, guys. I think I like it. Nice and simple. Okay. This is it for now. Until next time. Alright? Bye bye. See you all later.